good morning. This is my third and last day in Pokhara. Now I'm going to visit one of the village in nearby Pokhara region, which is approx 45 minutes. One local person to whom I met in a bus journey from Kathmandu to Pokhara, he gonna took me from a Naya center, and then he'll take me from there to his village and show me some visuals and some traditional stuff about his village. So I'm ready. You can see my backpack, my jacket, my keys are okay. I've done my phones and GoPro is charging. I have my extra battery as well. So now it's 9 in early morning, so I'm leaving. This is my room view. You can see this is such amazing and lovely safe stay here. The staff is very good. सो मैं हो चुका हूँ रेडी अपने फर्स्ट संडे के एंजॉयमेंट के लिए. सो सबसे पहले मैं बोलना चाहता हूँ कि हैप्पी संडे फॉर एवरीवन. और नेपाल के बारे में मैं क्या बताऊँ. ये कंट्री ने ऐसा लग रहा है मुझे कि मैं अपने स्टे को बहुत बढ़ाऊँ, बट एक दुख की बात ये है कि जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ मेरे बैकपैक के वजह से मेरे बैक में काफ़ी ज़्यादा पेन हो रहा है. सो आई नीड टू मेक सम ट्रीटमेंट फॉर माई सेल्फ. मैं 3 दिन से योगा और अपने स्प्रे के साथ काम चला रहा हूँ, बट आई थिंक सो मेरा काम नहीं हो पाएगा. सो मे बी आई नीड टू टेक सम रेस्ट. सो टुडे इज़ माई लास्ट डे इन पोखरा. आफ्टर दैट आई लीव भूतवल, or maybe I'll stay Bhutwal for 1 or 2 hours and then I'll leave for India. बट यार नेपाल सच में यार, काश मैं जहाँ रहता हूँ वहाँ भी ऐसा कुछ होता. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है यार यहाँ पे. मेरी फीलिंग्स को मैं क्या बोलना चाहता हूँ, आप आई होप आप समझ सकते होगे. बट बहुत अच्छी कंट्री है. यहाँ के लोग अभी तक तो मुझे काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छे लगे हैं. कोई भी बुरा नहीं मिला है. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं मेरे वीडियोस में कि जैसे कि मैं अभी बैकपैकर हॉस्टल की रिसेप्शन पर्सन से मिला जो बहुत ही स्वीट है. सो ये ऐसा कुछ दिखता है कीवी बैक का हॉस्टल जाने का रास्ता. वो पीछे है लेग साइड. मैं जा रहा हूँ इस समय नया सेंटर यहाँ के मेरे लोकल दोस्त कुमार श्रिस्ता से मिलने. तो जब मैं वहाँ पहुँचता हूँ तो मैं दिखाता हूँ वो कैसे. सो फाइनली आई रीच टू द हाइड्रो पावर प्लांट इन नेपाल. यू कैन सी वी आर गोइंग डाउन.
और नीचे ऐसे
नीचे जा सकते हैं थोड़ा सा वहाँ तक. चले शिस्ता में आपको
ये वाले का पानी इधर आ गया.
थोड़े
ये दिखता तो इधर से पूरा माउंटेन दिखे.
सो फाइनली हम लोग पहुंच गए हैं यहाँ पे. सो ये है मिस्टर कुमार जो नेपाल के हैं. ये बहुत अच्छे इंसान है जो यहाँ पे इनकी फ़ोटोग्राफी और वीडियोग्राफी की स्टोर है जो वेडिंग फ़ोटोग्राफी करते हैं. बट ये उसके साथ साथ होम स्टेज़ और विलेज टूर एज वेल एज़ टूर गाइड का भी काम करते हैं. तो ये मुझे काठमांडू से पोखरा आते वक्त बस में मिले थे. तो ये आज मैं इनके साथ अपना दिन बिता रहा हूँ. सो अगर कोई भी अगर ये वीडियो देख रहा होगा या देखेगा फ्यूचर में, अगर आपको नेपाल आके पोखरा में आना होगा तो मैं इनका डिटेल्स और लिंक इन डिस्क्रिप्शन करूँगा. इनकी फेसबुक लिंक आईडी और इनका फ़ोन नंबर मैं अपडेट कर दूँगा लिंक में. डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में आप जाके देख सकते हैं. कुमार, आप अपने बारे में कुछ बताना चाहोगे?
मैं कुमार श्रेष्ठ residency in Pokhara, and I have to here my home and my village also. My village is Dhasok. I give my all photo, video and documentary
So he little bit shy from camera. He's talking on a camera for the first time, I think so. But whenever you want to plan your Nepal trip in a Pokhara, so you can come and visit, and I'll put his information about his Facebook link and his number in my description, so you can check it out and contact. And ऐसे स्पैम मत करना फ़ोन करके फालतू में इन्हें परेशान नहीं करना, बिकॉज बहुत अच्छे हैं और नेपाल में आने के बाद इन्हें एटलीस्ट थैंक यू। ये भी नॉर्मल ही है।
दोनों ऐसा हो गया नेचुरल ब्रिज बन गया।
किधर पे?
अभी हम उसको उधर भी जाएगा। नेचुरल ब्रिज
ओके।
कोई आदमी नहीं बनाया। देखो इतना बड़ा डेंजर।
ओके।
अभी देखो इतना बड़ा किधर अंदर घुस गया मन में। अभी ये जाके पूरा फटा के जा रहा है। सिर्फ पोखरा में इसके अंदर है।
ओके।
माछापुछरे माउंटेन के नीचे से आ गया। बाद में उधर इसे बड़ा है।
ओके।
लेकिन जब पोखरा सिटी में घुस गया सारा अंदर के अंदर इधर।
ओके।
पानी नहीं है बोला आपको इतना पानी। वो है फुलबारी रिसोर्ट।
ओके।
बहुत महंगा
है।
डिलक्स रूम रहता।
चले
इधर से वो नेचुरल हो गया। थोड़ा पैदल चलना पड़ेगा।
चलेगा, आ जाओ धीरे धीरे ना। नहीं लाइक कैमरा गिरा तो चले जाएगा उसके लिए, क्योंकि ये हाथ में अभी ग्लव्स पहना हो ना तो पकड़ने नहीं होगा। बट कैसे लोग जाते होंगे नीचे, अगर कोई देखा तो हालत खराब। हाँ
अभी देखा
देखो, अभी वो बंदा ऊपर देख के आ रहा है तो उसको कुछ लग नहीं रहा है, और वो नीचे देखेगा तो फटेगी। Hi. So finally मैं इस समय हूँ कुमार भाई के घर में, और they offer me their foods. He's a sister of Kumar. So how you feeling? आपको अच्छा लगा मैं यहाँ पे आया हूँ?
एकदम खुश
बहुत। ये इन्होंने मेरे लिए काफ़ी ज़्यादा खाना दे दिया जो बहुत हैवी होगा। ये सेम है ना दादा? अपने इंडिया जैसा ही है पूरा, सोयाबीन, आलू, दाल और
बेस खाना। शुरू करो।
चलो
2 दिन गांव में बैठा,
ओके
बाद में उधर से हायर करके फिर उधर तक छोड़ दिया।
ओके
बाद में वो लोग मर्द ईमान में गया।
फॉरेनर ट्रैकिंग में ज़्यादा है। अपन लोग नहीं।
बाबा
बस बस बहुत है, इतना बहुत ज़्यादा है मेरे लिए। आंटी बैठिए, खाइए आप भी। खा लिया आप?
हाम्रो त यस्तो सादा खाना हैन
वो भेजिटेरियन और मांस खाना
हो
बस इतना बहुत है मेरे लिए, मुझे लंबा जाना ना। बोटुआ जाओ।
हामी मात्र दिहाल्नु
घरमै छु के घरमा
हजुरलाई ए ल
चार बाटे टेबल त छैन होटलमा हुने, क्या नहीं हो र ए 4 बाटे काउन्टरमा राख्ने ठुलो, काउन्टरमा राख्ने ठुलो छैन, त्यस्तो ठुलो त छैन।
लिटिल बिट दैट थैंक यू।
त्यस्तो ठुलो त छैन। ल
So while visiting in the Kiwi Backpacker Hostel, I met one of a cute girl here. Her name is Renu. She's a reception person in the Kiwi Backpacker Hostel. She gave me a lovely stay. I enjoyed a lot with her. She's such amazing. If you want any information, you can come and you can join Kiwi Hostel and book from booking.com and like Vigo and Go Avibo. So she will here to help you. Say hi.
Hi.
So she's Renu, she's the reception. So if you come in for your lovely stay in Pokhara near the lakeside, which is the famous area in Kathmandu, Pokhara, so you find her here. So she's amazing, so she'll give you much information about all this. You wanna say something to us?
What are you gonna say?
Like about your city and your country? No? You're a little bit shy or what?
Yes, like little bit in front of camera, that's why.
No, it's okay. Even though I'm not like pro, man, it's just my beginning of blogging.
So, hi, I'm Renu and I work in this hostel named Kiwi Backpackers, and he is Akash, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, Akash from India, and he's really sweet and nice person. And do watch his YouTube videos and like and subscribe. Thank you.
So thank you Renu for having me here. It's such a lovely stay with you for like 3 days. I enjoyed a lot. I hope to see you soon and we be a good friend. So this is the Naya bus park of Pokhara. You can take or book your bus from many cities if you want to travel from here to another city like Kathmandu or Sonali, Indian border. So you get your bus from here. So finally I'm going back to my home after 7 days of Nepal trip. Yesterday I went from Kiwi Backpacker Hostel somewhere around 6 o'clock in the evening. It was too dark night. I was planned to shoot some of the visuals while coming back from Pokhara, so but it wouldn't possible for me to record something, So I just now woke up. I'm in the Maitri bus, which is come from Kathmandu. I catch this bus on the Indo-Nepal border. So this cost me around 700 rupees in INR, which is somewhere 1120 bucks in NPR, Nepali. So these are some visuals around me. You can see we're heading now towards Varanasi. Now my current location while shooting is Azamgarh, which is like 120 kilometers far from Varanasi. We'll reach Varanasi by 3 or 4 o'clock in the evening. So some of the amazing views here near me. But definitely while backing from Nepal, it's being hurtful for me. I was attached with emotionally with some more people like Valerie from Bolivia and Renu, the reception girl from Kiwi Backpacker, plus as well as I just want to say thank you to whom I met in Kathmandu in the hostel, like Michael, Zach, Andy, 2 girls, Mahi from India, Girish, 2 boys from Tushar from Bangladesh, and I love to be thankful for them from bottom of my heart to making my journey so special and being a memorable. I wish to meet them soon again. Then again in Pokhara, I just want to say thanks to Renu for having me and hosting me for a 3-day lovely stay with a cool. She's such amazing, a cute girl I found in Kiwi hostel. And special thanks to Valerie from Bolivia. She took me with her for Davis Fall. We walked around 8 kilometers together. We hang out for one long day in the rainy season. We went to Davis Fall. We went into Gupteshwar cave as well, but we haven't shoot anything over there. Then we walked back again. We went for dinner. She have naan, I have jeera rice. That was an amazing feeling, but while coming back home, it was a sad moment for me because there's a lot of pain in my back due to heavy backpack. I hope I'll go soon. This is my first international journey for travel vlogging. I wish you all will support me for what I'm doing. So stay tuned with me for more upcoming journeys. And sorry for the Varanasi vlog delay. I'll edit soon and upload on my blog as well. So have patience. I'm really very sorry for delay in Varanasi vlog. But the soon vlog will up on my channel like in 1 week. So stay tuned for that. So while riding from Pokhara to Varanasi, I get in the bus, which is called the Maitri bus from Indo-Nepal side. I get inside the bus and I met my co-passenger from Netherlands, Rapco, right?
Yeah, man.
So
Rapco.
he's a Rapco and he's a co-partner, Rennie. These guys are very amazing. We are talking from a long time ago, like we have talked 4-5 hours, right? We have talked since 5 hours. We are talking about
5, 6, maybe 10 hours. How long is the ride already going on?
Yeah,
Too long.
Yeah, I get in bus in the early morning 6 o'clock and this is at 3:30.
Yeah.
So these are the amazing people I met. Their experience they share. They are first time in India and they are visiting Varanasi first time.
Yeah.
I am the local boy of Varanasi, so I'm sharing my experience with them. So how about you? Have you loved Nepal?
Nepal was really good. The mountains in Himalaya was amazing.
Yeah.
And the paraglide from Pokhara.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how was the experience while doing first time a paragliding?
Yeah, it was cool. You are a bird.
How about you?
It was really relaxed. It
Yeah.
wasn't scary at all. Just relaxed.
So what you're finding a difference between a Nepal while entering in the Indian border? Have you find any difference between Nepal and India? Till now, in your bus journey, you are looking the views. I'm sharing my experiences.
We said to each other, India is better organized
Yeah.
when you look at the Nepal.
Okay.
Yeah. You don't have that much mountains.
Are you getting a massage on a road while riding this bus, like Zerk and everything? Yeah.
That's a really good massage.
So
But also the roads are better than in Nepal.
as well, because they have the connecting mountain. The same road over there, you can ride a bike over there.
Okay.
You can, like many like foreigners go for their bike riding to the Himalayas. They trek there in Himalayan mountain, the same which you see in like Thorang Pass and the Poor Hills and everything. The same kind of mountains in Himachal Pradesh and the Leh Ladakh as well.
Yeah, Ladakh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, and when do you go to the Netherlands for the viewers?
For this,
Yeah.
when I'll get a lot of money in my bank, so I'll definitely apply for visa. If I very lucky, if I get like on urgent basis, I'll fly.
So they must like your page, so
Yeah.
thumbs up, and then after a couple of years you come make the same video.
Yeah, with you guys. Yeah.
Cool.
So thank you very much for sharing your love and experiences what you have for Varanasi. I wish you all very luck for having a first day, like you are visiting first state of Varanasi in India. So I wish you all the luck and have a safe journey.
Yeah, I
Thank you so
really
much.
wish everybody there on the other side of the computer
Yeah.
also the same.
Thank you very much, man.